1, 2, 3, 4.
Pick them up. You see the eggs?
Valentina, there's eggs everywhere. Look, mommy, everywhere.
Get them, just get them. All right, let the
Okay, let them out. Call them. Come on, you guys.
Oh, you guys, hurry
Hey,
up.
does Brandon have his basket?
Hurry up, hurry up.
Shit. Wait, hold on. He doesn't have his shoes on.
You
Oh
did.
my gosh.
Never mind, boy, the shoes. Never mind, just go out.
Call him. That's coming. Come on, baby. Let me hold your gun. No one's going to take your gun. Get the eggs. Hurry.
Where's Heather?
In there? Oh, this Brandon's good.
Hey, boy, turn it up.
Sorry.
Hey.
Oh, Dan. He found it right back.
What? What happened?
He went like this and picked up the frisbee and threw it and picked up the egg underneath it. Look in the grass. Whatever we have.
Brandon,
Bath.
hey.
Look everywhere.
Yeah, around the barbecue pit.
Valentina, look. Look at the window.
Over there.
Look. Look, see? Oh, shoot. Hey, your hands are too... Aw, Ethan, that wasn't cool. Look, Brandon, right here.
Right there. Look behind the tire.
Pick it up.
The tire. Hey, somebody dropped one. Chance almost smashed it. Hey, guys, right there.
Christian, look. Look at it.
It's like right in front of them and they can't see it. Turn around. Turn around. Look. Look where they...
Valentina. Look. Christian. There's still more eggs out there. Look in the grass, in the tree. Hey, wait, you guys. If the little one found it, don't grab it from them. That's not fair.